When we think about anti-aging, we usually picture expensive 10-step skincare routines, complex clinical treatments, or spending 2 hours a day at a wellness spa. But if you're a busy adult managing a career, a family, and a never-ending to-do list, that lifestyle isn't just unrealistic, it's impossible. The truth is, aging isn't controlled by a single expensive cream. It's controlled by biological triggers. And if you know how to flip those triggers, you can slow down cellular aging in less than 5 minutes a day. In this video, we're breaking down 10 scientifically proven high-ROI anti-aging habits, designed specifically for people who have absolutely no time to waste. Habit 1. The 60-second shield. Let's start with the single greatest anti-aging tool ever discovered. It costs less than $20 and takes precisely 1 minute to apply: morning sunscreen. Dermatologists agree that up to 80% of visible skin aging, wrinkles, dark spots, and loss of elasticity is caused by ultraviolet radiation from the sun. Even on cloudy days, and even if you work indoors near a window, UV rays are actively degrading your skin's collagen. The busy adult hack. Don't overcomplicate it. Buy a daily moisturizer that already has SPF 30 or higher built in. Make it a non-negotiable step right after you brush your teeth. 1 minute now saves your skin a decade of damage later. Habit 2. Exercise. Snacks. You don't need to spend 90 minutes at the gym to keep your body young. After the age of 30, adults naturally lose up to 3 to 5% of their muscle mass per decade, a condition called sarcopenia that rapidly accelerates aging. To halt this process, lean into what scientists call exercise snacks. The busy adult hack. Instead of trying to find an hour for a workout, scatter 3 2-minute bursts of resistance throughout your day. Do 20 bodyweight squats while your morning coffee brews. Do a 1-minute plank between Zoom meetings. These microdoses keep your metabolism firing, protect your joints, and stimulate human growth hormone without altering your schedule. Habit 3. The 3-hour dinner buffer. Anti-aging isn't just about what you eat, it's about when you stop eating. When you eat right before bed, your body has to redirect blood flow and energy toward digestion instead of cellular repair. Deep sleep is when your body enters autophagy, a process where your cells clean out damaged proteins and regenerate. If your stomach is full of heavy food, your insulin levels stay elevated, which actively blunts the release of melatonin and youth-preserving growth hormones. The busy adult hack. Establish a hard cutoff time. Finish your last meal at least 3 hours before your head hits the pillow. Give your body the fasting window it needs to repair itself while you sleep. Habit 4. Dehydration. Decoupling. Chronic dehydration is a silent aging accelerator. It causes your skin to look dull, compromises kidney function, and slows down your cognitive processing speed. For most busy adults, their primary liquid intake consists of coffee, energy drinks, or soda, all of which act as diuretics. Keep a designated insulated water bottle on your desk at all times. If it's in your line of sight, you will drink it. Habit 5. The 30-second cortisol reset. High stress equals accelerated aging. When you're constantly stressed, your body pumps out cortisol. Chronic cortisol shortens your telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of your chromosomes. When telomeres get too short, your cells can no longer replicate, leading to premature aging. You can't always change your workload, but you can change your nervous system's response to it in 30 seconds using the physiological sigh. The busy adult hack. Take 2 quick, sharp inhales through your nose, followed by a long, slow exhale through your mouth. Do this just 3 times when you feel your shoulders tightening. It instantly triggers your parasympathetic nervous system, lowering your heart rate and slashing cortisol production on the spot. Habit 6. The frozen antioxidant boost. Free radicals damage your cells via oxidative stress, causing internal inflammation and external aging. To fight this, you need antioxidants. But buying fresh exotic berries and tracking down organic produce every 3 days is a massive time sink. Rely on frozen wild blueberries. Frozen fruits are picked at peak ripeness and flash frozen, meaning they often contain more antioxidants than the fresh produce that sits on grocery shelves for a week. Throw a handful into a quick morning smoothie or oatmeal. It takes zero prep time and locks in massive cellular protection. Habit 7. Posture alignment breaks. Nothing ages a person faster visually and structurally than poor posture. Spending 8 to 10 hours a day hunched over a laptop or looking down at a smartphone creates text neck. This strains your spine, compresses your lungs, and reduces oxygenation throughout your body. The busy adult hack. Every time you finish an email or check your phone, perform the chin tuck. Pull your head straight back as if making a double chin. Hold for 3 seconds and roll your shoulders back. This resets your spinal alignment and prevents the permanent structural slouch associated with old age. Habit 8. The dark and cold multiplier. If you only have 6 hours to sleep, you need to maximize the quality of those hours. Deep restorative sleep is the holy grail of anti-aging. Optimize your sleeping environment with 2 variables, light and temperature. Drop your thermostat to between 65 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit and use blackout curtains or a high-quality eye mask. A cooler room temperature signals to your brain that it is time for deep sleep, allowing your body to maximize its cellular repair cycles even on a tight schedule. Habit 9. Smart supplementation. While a balanced diet is ideal, busy schedules often lead to nutritional gaps. Instead of taking a handful of 20 different pills, focus on the 3 foundational supplements that target cellular longevity and inflammation. The busy adult hack. Look into vitamin D3 for cellular health, high-quality omega-3 fish oil to reduce systemic inflammation, and magnesium to improve sleep and muscle recovery. Put them right next to your keys or your phone charger so you remember to take them every morning or night without thinking. Habit 10. The digital sunset. Finally, protect your eyes and your skin from the blue light emitted by your devices late at night. Blue light suppresses melatonin production, throwing off your circadian rhythm and stealing the deep sleep your body relies on to fight aging. The busy adult hack. Implement a digital sunset 30 minutes before bed. Flip your phone to silent, place it face down across the room, and let your eyes adjust to natural, dim light. It costs nothing, saves your sleep quality, and prevents morning fatigue. So here is your challenge. Pick just one habit from this list and commit to it for the next 7 days. Once it becomes automatic, add another. Slowing down the aging process is entirely about consistency, not perfection. If you try to adopt all 10 of these habits tomorrow, you will overwhelm yourself and quit within a week. Instead, treat your longevity like a long-term investment. If you want to dive deeper into the exact blueprint, data, and biology behind managing your health span, check out my book available on Amazon, titled The Management of the Aging Process. I've left a link directly in the description below where you can pick up a copy or drop a review if you've already read it. Start by picking just one single habit from this list and commit to executing it perfectly for the next 7 days. Once it becomes completely automatic, layer on another. Over time, these tiny micro-investments compound, keeping your body and mind performing at their absolute peak. Which habit are you going to start tomorrow? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the book link and subscribe to the channel for more tactical guides to optimizing your life and health. See you in the next video.